Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing fantastically well. So as traders, we all love to get a bargain. We like some value, especially when we are buying prop firm challenges. Now, to be honest, they're not cheap. Let's say we're doing a $100,000 challenge, which seems to be the one that most people want to go for. They are typically priced anywhere between $450 and $600, which for a lot of people is a lot of money. Now, for a lot of prop firms, they're generally doing discounts all of the time. That's always built into their marketing strategy. Now, the one prop firm that everybody wants to go with is FTMO. They are the best established, best reputation in the entire industry, and they very rarely do discounts. Typically, you only get discount around about Black Friday or New Year, Christmas time, and it's often only 10%. But if I was to tell you, you can get a 20% discount on challenges with FTMO by doing a little bit of work. And that work that you have to do will actually be beneficial as traders. It's all part of the FTMO Academy. Now, if you actually go through and complete all of the modules in the Academy and then go and pass all of the tests, you get a final test to actually go through and qualify. And when you actually do that, you need to score a 90% success rate or higher on that final exam of 25 multiple choice questions, which we've already covered off in many of the modules previously. And if you are able to score that, you will get a discount of 20%. So in order to take the FTMO Academy, you actually need to have a login or a sign into their website. I'll put a link in the description if you haven't already got one. Click on that and go and sign up. If you go into the client area, you actually scroll down and see the FTMO Academy on the left-hand side. Click that, it will take to the website. You're then able to keep track of all your progress and all of your scores. And you can go back as many times as you want to and review in the future if you need to go back and refresh yourself on any of the actual questions and topics. And that will then bring FTMO back into the most affordable prop firms out there. And also, as I've said before, with the reputation, with the tools you get, with the platform choices, for me, it's a no-brainer to go through the FTMO Academy. Yes, it will take time. And I went through and did it and actually learned quite a lot as well. I've obviously read so many books in the past and done so many educational courses that a lot of the knowledge has gone in, gone out, and it actually went through and refreshed a lot of information I knew, as well as giving me more information I hadn't even looked at, and potentially other avenues I want to research in the future. Now, if we have a scan through some of the modules, you can see they're broken down to many different areas. So we'll go through the list of lessons. We've got everything around financial markets, Forex, trading platforms, talking about MetaTrader or the C-Trader guides, going into all of the technical analysis elements that would be beneficial as traders. We then get down into fundamental analysis, understanding news, what's going on around non-farm payroll events, as an example. We then get down into statistical analysis, putting it all together, understanding how we actually put into a trading plan, and then also looking at the whole FTMO evaluation process, understanding all of the rules, the daily loss, and all the profit targets. So even going through and completing the entire academy, it's still no guaranteed pass to actually doing the challenges. You still need to apply all of the things you've learned here, as well as other trading rules and risk management, psychology, the rest of it, to actually get to passing phase 1 and phase 2 on FTMO challenge. So each of the modules are fairly straightforward. All you do is click on the one you want to review, watch the video at the start. Typically they are around about 5 minutes. Then go through all of the text. Depending on the actual model itself, they can be quite lengthy, but again, it's all valuable information. For example, if you're going through the technical analysis, it describes all of the bullish, bearish candlestick patterns, and at the bottom of that, you then get the multiple choice questions. You still need to get a reasonable pass mark, so I think it's about 70% on each of the modules. Once you've done that, you can go on to the next one and complete the entire courses. You need to have done over 90% of the actual course modules before you can do the final exam. Now, one big thing with the final exam is if you do not pass the 90% first time round, you have to wait 8 hours before going and trying it again. Now, for me, it actually took me 3 attempts to pass the final challenge. Not that I didn't know all of the answers to the questions. Some of them are worded slightly subtly differently to catch you out. So again, be wary when you get to the final exam. Go through and make sure you actually read all of the questions. You are very careful, you're diligent, and therefore you will pass and get your discount. So I really hope that's been informative for everybody, and go and do the FTMO Academy, get yourself a 20% discount, sign up with another challenge with FTMO, go and pass it, get funded, and start living that funded trader's lifestyle. So thanks for watching, I'll catch you again very soon. Cheers.